Alright, so I'm in the middle of this Durango halo install. So I got the headlights done. It's raining outside, so I got all that covered up. But the bumper is right here. I was trying to figure out how to get these fog lights out, and I couldn't figure it. I couldn't figure it out. It's super simple. What it is, normally on the Dodges, it's just this little push-in thing here. And you can kind of pop it out through the front. But on this one, it doesn't work that way because the housing sits flush right against this, so it can't go out through the front. So it's got to come out the back. And notice the weird angle. I already got the screw out, but it was a 7mm screw here, and this whole housing twists. So when you get ready to twist it out, it only twists so far. Couldn't figure it out, and then I realized this little tab here, you pull up on it. When you pull up on it, you can twist the whole deal, and it falls right out. And then once you got this out, it's these two Torx screws. These are T15s. Undo those, and just like the normal ones, you squeeze these two tabs in. This falls out, and you're left with this. And this is after I've already cut the lens off. Lens is right here. So these Flash Tech halos are going in here. So just gonna stick these in, seal this lens back up, and I can put this back together. But yeah, I couldn't find a video taking these out. And maybe because it was simple, but I don't know. Maybe somebody else would be lost like me and need it. So that's how you get these out. Let me finish doing these, and I'll make another video we can see all of this stuff hooked up. And just in case you were wondering, this is how I put the halos in on these fogs. Just anchor it in a few spots with this 3M and cut a little notch down here for the wires to go through. And once your wires are through, put a layer of black RTV all the way around it and under the wire. So put your sealant on this part right here, lay your wires into the sealant, and then put sealant over the wire, so that way it's covered all the way around. And then just sandwich the lens back on, tape them down so it'll stay put, and dry real good, and then you're good to go.